Alright, boys and girls, welcome back to another bad unboxing. Today we've got a knockoff brand case. Screen replacement assembly. We're gonna open it on camera. Look at this. What the fuck? Now that I try to open it on camera, it does. Okay, yeah.
I was going like to record another video from here.
Oh, no, it's already recording.
Yeah, I know, but in your phone again. Or we can't. You can like.
What do you mean?
I think.
Like, I'm just gonna record it for like the whole time. And I'm just gonna edit it later. Okay, so it's all wrapped in here. Do you mean like with the back of my phone camera?
I mean, like you can like take a video from the VR.
Yeah.
They can take another video from the Samsung, if that's possible.
I guess we could do that.
Yeah. That's what
Look
they
at
was
this.
trying. Wow.
This is beautiful. Got our red.
Yeah.
Look at it. It's pretty nice.
Yep.
This is the victim. Look at this fucking damage. Oh yeah. That's beautiful. Yeah, let's actually we can probably keep the screen protector on just because the glass is so fucking cracked. But
We can take it out.
yeah, we're gonna have to go in through the back, I think. Right?
Oh, the heater. We need the heater.
Well, we took this one out without the heater. We can just do
I-
it slowly. Nice and neatly. We're gonna put this down on this stable base, and I think we're gonna have to make incisions through the back because the front glass seems way too shattered, and honestly, it's probably gonna be too hard to repair through the front. Let's check out the assembly. Ooh, yeah, that's beautiful. Let's start with the most obvious.
The
This thing.
LG G6 has an IP68 water
Let's
resistant
eject
rating,
the SIM
so
card
the rear glass
tray.
panel is glued on solidly and is
Oh, you
tight
need
fit
two, I
within
think.
the metal body. Apply heat to soften the adhesive.
Okay.
With a precision knife,
SIM card
create
tray
enough
out.
space to insert a
Everything's
blade.
good. Welcome back. We're gonna try to remove the back now. We're gonna use this low setting. Lowest setting possible.
I'm gonna do it all over.
Wait. This part's the fucking tricky one. Cause see now the glass is starting to get chafed. You see it? There's like this white here.
Yeah.
I need to go slower because I don't know if we can get that color back on. It's like scraping off of the thing itself.
Yeah.